Happy Star Wars Day. It's May the 4th, which of course means a Star Wars Day. May the 4th be with you. And as it is a special day, I'm reducing my course bundle to 70% off. 70% off. It's normally $297, but with 70% off, you can own it today for $89. That's right, $89. And what is in my course bundle, you might be asking yourself. The first thing is the Ultimate Masterclass course. And what is the Ultimate Masterclass? Really, you're making a Star Wars poster. And don't worry if you don't like Star Wars or if you don't even like making posters. With this course, I teach you absolutely everything I know about Affinity Photo 2 on the iPad. By the end of this course, you will know everything I know about Affinity Photo 2 on the iPad. And it's a brilliant, brilliant course. It's real in depth, and I promise you, you will learn so much from this course. It's getting great reviews. I got a brilliant comment in the course from Karen. This is what Karen said. I loved it. Learned an amazing amount. Thank you for making it so much fun. Love your enthusiasm and your accent. On to the next course. Karen, thank you so much for that comment. It means the absolute world to me. And she also said, on to the next course, because with this bundle, you don't just get one course, you get two courses. The other course is Combine and Blend. With Combine and Blend, we're taking two photos of the same person, my son, taken 7 years apart, and we're combining them together so it looks as if he's kind of hugging each other, and it's a really fun course too. So if you don't like Star Wars or space, science fiction, this is the course for you too, where you can realistically blend two photos together. And the fun doesn't stop there, because we're back to science fiction stuff. There's over 150 overlays. Saber FX overlays, which is really lightsabers. I'm doing lightsabers and laser blasts, and you can use them in Affinity Photo. I use them in the Ultimate Masterclass, but you can even use them in Photoshop. You can use them in video. You can use it for so much, and it's a really fun pack too. So normally it's all $297, but today, Star Wars Day, 70% off. You can get it for $89. And if you get it, I honestly don't think you'll be disappointed. And if you watch any of my tutorials, you'll know what you're getting when it comes to Affinity Photo. Enthusiasm, as Karen said, a lot of good teaching, a lot of learning, and I don't think you'll be disappointed with either of the courses. And I'll keep you going because there's over 13 hours of video training in these two courses. 13 hours. By the end of the 13 hours plus, you will be an expert in Affinity Photo 2 on the iPad. And there's more exciting news, because as of today, I have set up a Discord server. And if you don't know what Discord is, it's a bit like a Facebook group where you can interact with me, you can interact with other people, or the Discord group. And if you've maybe seen my channel, I'm doing a bit of AI work now. There'll be AI talk. You can ask me anything. There'll be discussions. There might be videos too. And I have a few things planned for it. So it's very exciting. If you're interested in either the course bundle or the Discord group, there's going to be links in the description below. And just to sign us off today, I made a song in AI, and in the video coming soon, I'll talk you through how I made this song. But this is a song about my course bundle and Star Wars Day and all that good business. So let's play the song, and hopefully I'll see you in the next video, or the Discord group, or on the course. Thanks for watching.
It's Star Wars Day. Let's celebrate with a sale so big it could blow up the Death Star. 70% off. Don't hesitate.